How to fix WhatsApp call problem. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp call easily and fast. First thing is you have to open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks and then go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then you have to wait a few seconds and then disable it again. Go back, open the apps manager, open the apps like this, and now wait a few seconds. And after you wait a few seconds, now all what you want to do is scroll until you find WhatsApp. When you find WhatsApp, click on it like this. It will take you to this page. Now right here, all what you have to do is very simple. First thing, click on this option right here to stop running the app in the background of your phone, and then go down, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.